Hey everyone, welcome to the course. In this video, we discuss what is LocalStack. LocalStack is a fully functional local cloud stack that lets you develop your AWS cloud applications on your local machine. So we can say that it's a drop-in replacement of AWS that runs on your local machine. It ships as a Docker container image, which is very easy to install and very easy to set up. And currently it has support for almost 70 AWS APIs and it is still growing. It consists of compute services like EKS, Lambda, ECS, and databases such as RDS, DynamoDB, DocumentDB, messaging such as SQS. LocalStack also integrates with other cloud tools such as Terraform, Pulumi, and CDK. And it also gets easily integrated with your CI platform as well. So if we now look at the 10,000 feet view, then your application is the blue box on the top left corner. And while it is moving from local developer machine to CI/CD pipeline and finally to production, it actually talks to emulated AWS services in the process when you're using LocalStack to the local dev machine and the CI/CD pipeline. Hence giving back the developers control over the environment and free them from wasting time with inefficient dev and test loop in the cloud so they can instead focus on developing great products. So I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, we will discuss that why do we need LocalStack and how it enhances your developer productivity.